So today I'm making some toys for the parrots. As you can see, Barney is helping already. So all you've got to do is get some cardboard from your shop, which is absolutely free, some rope, scissors, shredded paper, and I bought some little plastic balls, which was from a charity shop, and they were £1. So let's get on with it. Let's make some toys for the parrots. So today all the parrots have decided they want to help and join in with making toys, but I think they're making holes rather than toys. So there'll be nothing left of them. Barney's having a watch. Nope, he's joining in again. Then I have all the others joining in as well. It took twice as long to get the toy making done because they all wanted to have their turn of trying to shred all the things that I'm going to be using before I'm done. So enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy the video of me making some toys with my parrots obviously joining in with me. So I won't do any talking and you'll see the end result at the end. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.